Okay, we are now at the stage where we have downloaded our financial statements from Edgar. And here I have the financial statements of GameStop for the year ended January 30th, 2021. And so we're going to do a horizontal analysis here. And so I'm going to put a formula in for a horizontal analysis that basically is looking at the change in percentage from the prior year or from a prior period. And so the formula that we use for that is it's going to be the current year minus the previous year divided by the previous year. And in this case, I've went ahead and I've formatted. You can see here I've formatted my column here to percentage, so it comes out at percentage. So if you haven't done that, that could cause you a little bit of a difference here. So I see that I have a 2% increase from 2020 to 2021 in cash. Now, to get this to come down, I could just double click here and it all comes down, and I could get rid of my you know, issues with my value being 0 because you can't divide by 0. And I can see my changes here. So obviously I can go in here now and do my analysis and try to figure out what is going on and why are there, some such large swings here. And so horizontal analysis can just kind of help me point out some areas that I might want to look at a little closer. And you can do this on the balance sheet, and then you can also do it on the income statement. And I could look at 2 years. I could do the difference between 20 and 2019 and 2021 and 2020. And so I would do just like what you see here, current minus previous divided by previous. And notice here I hadn't changed this column to percentage, so I would want to change that to percentage. And so this one here represents the change from 2020 to 2019. And then if I want to do the change from 2021, which is really, it's fiscal year, so 2020 to 2021, I could do that in this column and see if I can see any trends, because that's really horizontal analysis is giving us our trends. And to do this, I've got to get my parenthesis in there, current minus prior year divided by the prior year. And so I've had a trend here from 19 to 20 of a decrease in 22%. And then another decrease from 20 to 2021 of 21%. So I can see a trend here of decreasing. And again, I can populate this down and just get rid of my divisors of 0. There's other ways you can do that if you want to research it, but putting in like if statements. But it's not so hard because we don't have a lot of data here. So that is an example of a horizontal analysis, and it again just helps you identify trends, things that are changing. And obviously GameStop has been in the news a lot, and we can see there's a lot of issues with the trends going negative from 20 to 21, both on the balance sheet and on the income statement. So gives us something to take a look at.